My name is Sterling Youngman, and this is an abridged version of a video I did a while back on my first Unreal Engine project, which is a simple puzzle-oriented game. It's very crude and rough around the edges, but I didn't know what I was doing. I'd never programmed in Unreal. And in fact, I'd almost not even heard of the engine, but it looked interesting, so this is what I made. This video is going to focus primarily on the characters. And I wanted, because this is sort of an experiment, a test for me to learn how to use the engine. I have it both in first person, which we're in right now. I can pick these things up, but I also wanted it to be in third person. But that would require a character asset, and I had very little time. I had focused most of my time on the environment. So right around when I was doing this, Character Creator came out, and I dug into it. I like this, like Unreal. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I think I got some pretty good stuff. And I mean, in this, I just wanted grubby, dirty, worn-looking clothes, and the options that are available for the clothes, for the materials, are just endless. Unfortunately, I can't spin around to show you the face, but it's very versatile. I made this in about 45 minutes, possibly, and like the other characters, which I'll show you. And anyway, so we can wander around. Oh, I suppose I should light this. Now, the motions came, the running motion and the walking motion are pretty much stock motions in iClone, which I just applied to the character, and they come in very cleanly into Unreal Engine. I didn't know much about Character Creator, so all I had to really go by were the tutorials that Reallusion put together, and they're excellent. They even show you how to get the assets out of iClone and into Unreal, and that went pretty smoothly. So now we'll move around here, and there's a little trap that will injure you. You can see the blood splat as I get more damage done to me. And you probably noticed some of these imp-ish characters wandering around. I created those also in about 30 minutes. It was easier. They didn't have clothes. If you notice that there's some bad sliding movements when they walk around, that's not an Unreal problem or a Reallusion problem. That's a Sterling Youngman problem, not knowing what he's doing. Anyway, and then I have another character down here also. This one probably spent about 45 minutes on, and it's kind of like an ogre type beast. I decided it was going to be the mother of the imps. And it will follow me around. This character also, I use the stock animations, but in that swipe that you see, I did those manually in the motion layer editor in iClone, and then was able to import them with the characters with ease. So the last character I want to show is a skeleton, which I did not make. I got it from the Reallusion marketplace, and it was fully rigged. Works in iClone perfectly. I did run into a little problem with exporting it, but the creator of the asset was very quick to help out with resolving the problem, and everything was fine. We got it into Unreal, no problem. And for this one, so I was very happy about that. For this one, I use a motion capture file that I got off of Carnegie Mellon's motion capture library, which is available online. The motions are free, and I just thought this would be a funny way to end it. Not my intended ending, but it worked nonetheless. And anyway, so yeah, I brought that motion capture in to iClone, exported it with the skeleton, and everything was fine. In the end, I guess I could probably say that, I mean, I wouldn't have gotten anything done really if I hadn't had Character Creator, because I can't model these things. And probably about half an hour to 45 minutes, hour tops each character. It was definitely, I could have spent 30 days just on the characters alone. So I was very happy. And so yeah, now I also have a motion capture rig, and that makes it even easier. I can put my own custom stuff on there really quickly. And the other interesting thing is that I've brought this project off the shelf. I've got it now running it with a Vive in VR, so I can actually stand in this world, which is fantastic. And I might turn it into a full-fledged game. So if anybody's interested in that, please let me know. Hope this has been helpful. If you are curious about the rest of the project, please check out the original video. Thank you.